Hey everyone, welcome to today's Dhann ki Baat. My name is Rohit Singre. We have been seeing a negative close of the week gone by, and this is the first negative close that has been seen in some of the previous sessions. I mean to say that we have been managed to close a week with a loss of 2%, nearly 2%. So, which is the highest loss one can say on the weekly closing basis in the recent weeks. So again, on weekly chart, it formed a bearish candle, a good bearish candle, and on daily chart, let's say on Friday, it managed to form the a dragonfly sort of doji candle pattern on daily chart. The best part for Nifty is that it managed to hold the strong support zone of 17,500, 17,400. So these are the strong support Nifty managed to hold, and going forward also for the coming week also 17,500, 17,400 will be immediate and the strong support. Once we see any decisive close below that, then we may see the next support zone towards 17,300. But I think these are the quite good support zone one can expect for the coming week, 17,500, 400. Now on the higher side, it has a stiff hurdle somewhere around 17,700 and 17,800 zone. So 17,700, 800 would be a immediate and the strong hurdle on the higher side. So these are the supports and resistance one can expect for the Nifty for the coming week. But in the broader term, if you look at Nifty may see a consolidation zone in the broader range, not actually broader range, but yes, the range is getting wide right now. The range for the overall consolidation would be 17,300 on the downside. So this is the range that I was expecting to Nifty to trade in for the the next series, or one can say the time going forward. So this is the range that one can expect that Nifty may spend some more time in the particular range. So the range would be 17,250, 17,300 on the downside, and 18,000 on the higher side. So this will be the final overall range that Nifty can consolidate in, and either side breakout will decide the final direction, because as such below 17,250, 17,300, there is no strong support till 16,700. So we may see a good fall, or we may see, once we see a breakout above 18,000, let's say 17,950, let's say, we may see a next move towards 18,500 zone. So this is the analysis for Nifty. Now quickly look at for the Nifty Bank too, and then we'll move to the sector analysis. Now again, Nifty Bank, again it reached to its previous breakout zone. So this was the breakout zone that Nifty Bank managed to breach some of the previous weeks, and now again it reached to this level. So 37,000 will be a make or break level for Nifty Bank. Until unless we are trading about 37,000, the structure will be quite positive, and we may inch again towards 38,000, 38,500 zone, which are the immediate hurdle on the higher side. Below 37,000, we may see more profit booking comes in, and we may head towards 36,000. So 37,000 will be a make or break level for Nifty Bank. Holding above that level, structure is positive. Longs can be held with keeping the same stop loss of 37,000 on a daily closing basis. So this is the short and sweet analysis for the Nifty Bank. Now let's quickly move to the stock specific action, sorry, sector specific action. So my first sector which is on my radar is the Nifty Pharma. The range, we know this is the range that Nifty Pharma trade in, but within this range there is one more symmetrical triangle one can say has been seen, and it has given a breakout on Friday session, which with the closing also. So I think Nifty Pharma, Nifty Pharma may see some more traction going forward. So definitely, if anyone wants to look for the long stocks, yes, Nifty Pharma will be the sector that one should look for the coming week, or week gone by. For the short term as well. So now, what will be the stocks that one should look for? The first stocks which is on my radar, which is Sun Pharma, a fantastic breakout. Look at the breakout. Ascending triangle breakout has been seen. Look at the volume activity. A fantastic structure has been seen in Sun Pharma, and I'm very hopeful that, let's say, if these levels are 800 levels are held on the immediate basis, and the positional basis 750, positional stop loss would be 750 for those who are holding Sun Pharma. Initial stop loss would be 800, which is the immediate support. So let's say 750 levels are held, then we are good to go towards the 900, 950 odd levels in the near term. Sun Pharma looks very, very aggressive at the moment, and the structure is quite positive at the moment. So I think Sun Pharma will be the stock that one should look for in the pharma space. Those who are holding, definitely they can hold. So any dips near 800 will be again a fantastic buying opportunity with keeping stop loss below 750. So Sun Pharma would be my first pick. The second stocks which is on my radar for in the pharma space would be Divis. Now look at it here. This is a very good demand zone for Divis Lab. A very good demand zone for Divis Lab, and again it is trying to maintain about these strong support of 4,700, 4750 odd levels. So until unless Divis Lab is holding above 4750 or let's say 4,700, one can expect a bounce again towards 5,000, 5,200 odd levels. So I think Divis Lab will be on my radar, and until it holding the above the support zone of 4750, 4700. So this will be the final stop loss for the lab. And the final stocks which is on my radar in the same space would be Lupin. Lupin has seen a very good traction, in previous some of the session, and if you look at in this way, it has it is in formation of double bottom sort of structure. Positive divergences has been witnessed on the MACD as well. So I think the structure is quite positive at the moment. The strong base has been created somewhere around this level. So 910, 915 would be a fantastic support zone for Lupin, and also one can keep these level at their final stop losses. 910, I'm saying. So 910, until unless Lupin is holding about 910, we may see the next leg of move towards this range. Okay, this would be a strong hurdle which will be 990, and once we see a breakout above 990 or let's say 1000 odd levels, then there would be a double bottom formation which is getting active, and then we are good to go towards again 1100, 1150 odd levels. So Lupin is again the low risk reward ratio, one can say, but again the stop losses one need to follow very rigorously. So 910 will be the stop loss, and 1000 will be the first target. Once we cross above 1000, then 1100, 1150 would be the target that we should look for. The another stocks which I discussed in the last DKB also, which is Nifty Auto, and it has been seen a very good traction after our discussion. I said that there is an inverse head and shoulder pattern breakout, right? This is I drawn on daily chart, and again it reached to the breakout zone and taking the supports. Can we see this Friday closing candle? Again the retest has been seen. So one can expect a good move in Nifty Auto. Again Nifty Auto has been shining in the last week, so I think going forward also I feel that Nifty Auto stocks may see some more traction. Most of the stocks are looking fantastic at the moment. The first stock which is on my radar is the TVS Motor. So let's look at the TVS Motor. So if you can see, TVS Motor has been seen a breakout from its range. This was the range that TVS Motor was trading in a small range, one can say. After a good fall, there was a little rise, and then it was trading in a small range. So we have been witnessed a very good breakout on Friday session. So I think, and look at the volume activity, strong volume activity has been seen. So I think going forward, I feel that TVS Motor looks fantastic at the moment, until and unless it is holding above 550, which is the immediate support, and the overall support lies somewhere around 535. So 550, 535 would be a fantastic support, and one can also use these level as a trailing stop losses. So if it is holding above the said level, then one can expect a good move in TVS Motor towards 600 odd levels. The next stocks which has been given a fantastic move, which is M&M. M&M has seen a multiple breakout. We have discussed these stocks around this level, okay, and again it has given a bullish pennant breakout with a good volume. So I think M&M can see a good traction until and unless it is holding above 800 odd levels. So 800 will be your trailing stop loss, and we may expect 860, 900 levels in the near term. So M&M would be the second stock, and the aggressive stocks one can say in the Nifty Auto. The another stocks would be somewhere around these are the stocks that I would be discussing on the retest basis. Okay, it has given a breakout in previous week. Retest has been done, showing positive sign. So until unless Bajaj Auto is holding about 3700, which is the strong support, the structure will be positive, and we are good to go towards 4000, 4100 levels in the near term. See, Bajaj Auto would be the another stocks. Then we have Hero Moto Corp, Maruti, Eicher. All these stocks are showing the sort of a risk retest a structure. So I think autopack may see a good traction because majority of the stocks looks good at the moment. So Nifty Pharma, Nifty Auto, these are the sector that one should keep a radar on for the coming week. Now let's quickly look at move to the stock specific action. The first stocks which is on my radar is Surya Roshni. Stock has been seen a very good pain and breakout on daily chart. Okay, volume activity has been very decent. Look at the volume activity on previous rise and the next breakout also. So I think Surya Roshni looks fantastic. Now the support zone 800 790 would be the fresh entry zone. Okay, those who are holding, they can keep the stop loss of somewhere around 770 on the immediate basis, but actual stop loss, the structural stop loss is coming somewhere around 750. So again, dips would be suggested around 790 800 odd zone, with keeping stop loss below 750 on closing basis. And let's say if these levels are held, we may touch 900 level on the higher side. So Surya Roshni would be the first stock. Second stocks, which small stocks one can say, it is a TV18. Now again, TV18 has been formed inverse head and shoulder pattern on daily chart, if you can see, and the breakout has been witnessed from the same. Volume activity was very good. So I think TV18 would be the another stock that one can keep a radar on. Now immediate support for the TV18, I'm sorry, would be 3950. So until unless it is holding on the immediate basis 3950, the structure is quite good. The positional stop loss will be a little dip, which is 3550. Now let's say if we manage to hold about 3950, then the next level that one should look for is the 45 47 or 50 odd levels even. So TV18 would be the stock that I would keep a radar on. The another stocks which has given a breakout is Bata. Now Bata has seen a good traction. It has moved out of its small range. This was the range it was trading in, and again it has given a breakout. Volume activity was very good. So 1800 would be the trailing stop loss for those who are holding Bata already. And let's say if 1800 levels are held, then we are good to go towards 1900 1950 odd levels. So Bata would be the another stock that I would keep a radar on. The final stocks for a week would be sorry, not IRB, it's IB Real Estate. IRB has been seen already a good move. So yes, India Bull Real Estate, it has seen a breakout, right? A retest has been seen. Look at the volume activity at the time of breakout. A nice retest. Now, until unless it is holding above 141 odd levels, 141 odd level, the structure is quite good, and we may head towards 160 on the immediate basis and 170 on the overall basis. So these are the stocks, these are the sector, even indices that we have discussed in today's DKB. One can keep a radar on, and one can follow the levels for their trading perspective with maintaining a strong stop losses. Now, that's all from our side. Thank you so much for watching this. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you so much.